Hello. In this video, I will explain to you how the customizable settings of the CS8200 3D Neo Edition can help you to optimize your acquisition workflow. Let's start with a 3D exam launched from CS Imaging 8. A useful tool is Scout View, available at the bottom of the screen. With this tool, be sure to target the area of interest with a quick image at a very low dose. This powerful tool will help to reduce the risk of retake and avoid unnecessary patient exposure. Let's look at the same patient returning at your practice. The patient history record will set by default the parameters used during the first visit. The acquisition parameters, more visible in orange, allows them to save time during the preparation of an exam. Using the same acquisition parameters for a returning patient contributes to higher reproducibility, enabling images to be more comparable over time. The black bar at the bottom of the screen gives access to a page where you can customize and define all 3D settings at a glance. It gives you the opportunity to customize your equipment with settings that best suit your activity, to avoid manually entering preferences for every procedure. For example, an implantologist could set by default a larger field of view with a standard resolution. However, it makes more sense for an endodontist to have a higher resolution and a smaller field of view. In the burger menu, or user preferences, you can define your favorite program to reduce the preparation time. Teeth, mainly for endodontics. Jaw, if you're doing mostly implants. For a more precise and quick diagnosis, metal artifact reduction and noise reduction can be integrated to your acquisition workflow. After acquisition, our unique feature will support you in the diagnosis with an image comparison with and/or without metal artifact reduction. Patient positioning is a big challenge and at the same time one of the most important aspects to ensure image quality. The pop-ups support the operator on this task, with explicit information on which accessory to use and how to position the patient for each exam. If you don't need it anymore, you can deactivate it. Of course, the pop-ups remain available by clicking on the blue exclamation mark on the right side of the screen. These are some improvements which contribute directly to the optimization of workflow and productivity in your practice. Thank you for watching this video, and you can discover more advantages and benefits in other videos.